Hello everyone, you know who I am already, we're back. And this time we'll be doing 2.9.1 Packet Tracer Basic Switch and End Device Configuration. So finally I came back from school and I want to make a video, so we'll do this. Alright, let's go click on it and let's go and start. Are you guys excited? Because I am. Put these off my desk. So here we go. Let's go press cancel. Alright, it looks like it's a more basically the same thing, but now it's sideways. It looks like a C actually. That's pretty cool. Alright, so let's go check out the objectives. Configure host name and IP addresses on two Cisco internetwork operating systems, the iOS switches, using the command line interface, CLI. Use Cisco iOS commands to specify and limit access to the device configurations. Use iOS commands to save the running configurations. Configure two host devices with IP addresses. Identify or verify connectivity between two PCs and devices. As recently hired LAN technician, your network manager has asked you to demonstrate your ability to configure small LAN. Your task includes configuring initial settings on two switches using the Cisco iOS and configuring IP addresses parameters on host. Okay, you are to use two switches and two PCs. Instructions: configure the devices to fulfill the requirements below. Use a console cable connection to each switch. Okay, like we did before, we go to the connections, which is the little lightning bolt. Get the blue cable. Go to the PC. Click on RS232, which is the PC brand, and go straight to room 125 console port. Let's go for this one as well. Just to make it easier for us, we'll put this here just so we can click on both. And how do we access this? We go to Manager, Desktop, Command Prompt. But first, let's go and configure the PCs and see if their NIC cards are configured properly. So let's go and check out the Manager side. Looks like this is the IP address we're supposed to. And look, notice how there's no IP address. We're just gonna have to statically give it 172.16.5.50 and okay, and then it's in the subnet of 255.255.255.0. So we got that correct. There's no default gateway, no DNS. Okay, great. So it looks like we're good on Manager. Let's go to reception. And here we go. So reception is 172.16.5.60. Looks like it's in the class B subnet because it's 172.16. I learned that from my recent class that class B, you can use it, but it's really limited in IP address or address spacing. Okay, that's a fun fact for today. Fun fact. Not supposed to learn that, but fun fact. Alright, let's go and name the switches now. So let's go and try to have both of these up at the same time. If we can press top, and then we can press top as well. Maybe if we have both of them up, this would be pretty sweet, right? If we have both of them up. Okay, not the command prompt. We'll go to terminal. Terminal, keep it default. And here we go. Right, we're both here. And let's go have this up. Oopsies. There you go. Just have it like this. Looks about right. So here we go. Let's go name room 145 and room 146 switches. So we're gonna configure the hosts. So enable. Wait, what is the manager connected to again? Manager is connected to room 145. Okay. Conct host room 145, and let's press enter. Okay, so this one should be room 1. Label conf t host room 146. Okay, great. Use the AXAW6K password for all lines. So there are a bunch of lines. There's line 0 and 1 through 15. So let's go and do this. Software manager, line con 0, right? That's your first line. And we're gonna give it a password of XAW6K. XAW6K. And we're gonna give it a login. All right, and we're gonna go to line VTY 0 to 15. Give it a password as well. XAW6K. Great. We're also gonna give it a. Let's go to exit. We're gonna give it a secret password. So enable secret 6EBUP. Great. Encrypt all clear text passwords. So all clear text will have a password. So we're gonna have to do a service password tab. So it goes to service password encryption. Then we'll give it a banner MOTD. So banner MOTD, and then just give it like authorized access only. Right, like, oh, authorized access only. Right, great. And configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table. So manager, we'll go to the VLAN 1. So VLAN, oh wait, we go do interface VLAN 1, and we'll give it an IP address of 172.16.5.35 255.0. Please, almost got it wrong. That's 25.35. Oh, I forgot IP add. There you go. IP add space enter, and then do a no shut. There you go. Save the configuration on this router. So we'll do a Control Z to go back, and we do a write command, or we can both do copy running startup config. There you go. That's the best way to do it. So we're done with this switch. Now let's go to switch 146. Should be pretty simple, right? So we didn't even get a password going. So let's go line con 0. Password XAW6K. Login. We'll also do line BTY 0 to 15. Password XAW6K. Just looking at it again to see if I'm correct. Enter. Login. We'll also give it a secret password. So exit to go to config mode. Enable secret 6EBUP. Boom. And then encrypt. So we're going to do a service password encryption. Oh, server. service password encryption. We're going to give it an MOTD of, or banner MOTD of authorized access only. This, you don't have to name it like this, but you know, it's better to just, you know, do it like that. And configure addressing to the thing. All right, let's go to interface VLAN 1. IP add 172.16.5.40.40 255.255.255.0. doing no shut, right? And then what is the last thing we gotta do? Save our configurations, give it a write command. Oopsies. Oh, give it a write command. There you go. And what do we do? Verify connectivity between the devices. Let's go and go to the command prompt, and we'll get the manager IP, and we're gonna ping that. So ping 172.16.5.50, and we got connectivity. So this was basically a mastered version of last video where we did everything. This time we added line VTY. Because this is asking for all lines, not just line con 0, the console line. So, you know, on a Switch, remember, on a Switch, line VTY 0 to 15, there's 15 lines. But on a router 0 to 4, only 4. So let's go and just let's do a show run before we close off this video. So we have our host name, right? We configured the host name. We did an enable secret. We configured an interface, a banner. We did line con 0, encrypted it. We did lines VTY 0 to 4, encrypted it, put a login. Line VTY 5 to 15, encrypted it, login, and that's it. That's all we did today. It's a pretty simple class. And yeah, look, that's all we did. I hope you guys really like this video, right? I hope you really guys like this video. I'm hoping that, hey man, you guys are learning from something. I'm learning from something, definitely. But you know, if we're both learning together, then that's great, right? If I missed anything, let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.